Hi everyone, this video is going to be about sun protection. So first and foremost, why is sun protection important? While going outside and getting sunlight is super important for us, it's just as important to protect yourself and your skin from too much sun exposure. Too much sunlight can cause sunburns and skin cancer, but sun protection allows you to go outside and enjoy the sun in a safe and healthy way. So one big part of sun protection is protecting your skin with sunscreen. First of all, you want to make sure your sunscreen is SPF 30 or higher. SPF stands for sun protection factor. The higher the number is, the more protective it is against the sun. You also want to make sure your sunscreen protects against both UVA and UVB rays. It should say broad spectrum on the bottle. And lastly, if you're going in water or if you're going to be around it, make sure it's a water resistant sunscreen. When you apply sunscreen, make sure you do it about 15 to 30 minutes before you go outside. Don't forget to put a thick layer on all exposed skin, including your ears, hands, feet, shoulders, and neck. And you can get help for hard to read places like your back. Lastly, reapply sunscreen often, about every 2 hours. And if you've been sweating or swimming, reapply it earlier, regardless of whether you're wearing water resistant sunscreen. Now, which sunscreen should you use? Ask your parents to scan this QR code to decide on a sunscreen for you to use. And the link is also on the screen in case you want to use that. Now let's look at more ways to protect your skin apart from sunscreen. First of all, stay in the shade or stay indoors from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. That's when the sun is the brightest and can cause the most damage to your skin. Next, wear protective clothing. Cover your arms and your legs if possible. Next, you want to wear sunglasses with 100% UV protection. Sunglasses really help to protect your eyes from sunburns. You also want to wear a wide brimmed hat to protect your face. And lastly, do all of these in addition to wearing sunscreen that is SPF 30 or higher and reapply it regularly. Now, what if you get sunburned despite all of this? If you get sunburned, your skin is usually painful, hot, itchy, and dry, and it usually gets worse several hours after sun exposure. It begins to peel about a week after the sunburn. If you want to treat your sunburn, first of all, take a cool bath or gently apply cool, wet compresses to the skin. This can help ease your pain and inflammation. You also don't want to scratch or peel off loose skin because the skin underneath is at risk for infection. Apply a moisturizing cream with aloe vera or aloe vera gel to any sunburn areas and ask your parents if they have this. Make sure you drink plenty of liquids and try to stay out of the sun until the sunburn is healed because more sun exposure will only make the burn worse. If you need to go outside, make sure your sunburns are completely covered. And lastly, if you have chills, a headache, or feel sick to your stomach or confused after a sunburn, you want to call your doctor. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something new.